Hello everyone, and welcome to our review of Murf AI. Today, I'm diving into Murf AI, a text-to-speech and voiceover tool that's been creating quite a buzz. I'll break down everything from its cost to its coolest features, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your next project. The link to Murf AI is in the description, so make sure to check it out. Pricing insights. First up, pricing. Murf AI's got a range of options. There's a free trial, which is perfect for testing the waters. For more consistent use, they've got a couple of subscription plans. The basic one starts at around $19 monthly, when billed annually, which feels fair for what you get. Their monthly rates can feel a bit steep if you're not committing annually. User interface. Now let's talk about user experience. Murf AI's interface? Super user-friendly. It's clear they've put thought into making it easy to navigate. You can jump right in with script imports and play around with their preset templates. The timeline editing is intuitive too, but there's a bit of a learning curve with some of the more advanced stuff. Features and tools. Murf AI really shines with its features. They offer over 120 voices, which is pretty impressive. Plus, you can add images, video clips, and more, making it a great tool for diverse content creation. The level of customization is a big plus. You can tweak the voice's pitch, speed, and even emphasize certain words for that perfect touch. Voice quality. The voice quality? Mostly top-notch. The majority of the voices sound really natural, but occasionally you might catch a slightly robotic undertone. It's not a deal-breaker, but something to keep in mind. Let's sum up the pros and cons. On the plus side, a wide variety of voices, easy integration of different media types, an interface that's a breeze to use, customization options that give you a lot of control. On the downside, some voices can sound a bit artificial. You might need a bit of time to get the hang of the advanced features. The monthly subscription is on the pricier side compared to the annual one. Final thoughts. Murf AI is a solid choice if you're into creating diverse and professional-sounding voiceovers. Its range of voices and customization options make it a versatile tool for different types of projects. The interface is welcoming for beginners, yet has enough depth for those wanting to dig deeper. Sure, there are a few minor downsides, but overall, it's a robust tool worth checking out, especially if you're looking to elevate your content with some quality voiceovers. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in our next review.